Open your Chrome browser and then open Settings by clicking the three-dot menu in the upper right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. From the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security and then click Security in the right pane. In the Security section, you'll find three options under Safe Browsing: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and No Protection. You want to make sure to enable Enhanced Protection. To bolster the Enhanced Protection option, scroll down under Secure Connections and click the On or Off slider for Always Use Secure Connections until it's in the On position. When you do this, Chrome can protect you against sites that don't use secure connections. Many phishing sites do not use secure connections because they'd have to apply for an SSL certificate, which would leave a paper trail leading toward the attacker. Once you've done this step, you can close settings and trust that Chrome is better capable of protecting you against phishing attacks. Open the Firefox browser and click the three-line menu button in the top right corner. From the drop-down, click Settings. From within Settings, click the Privacy Security entry in the left sidebar. Scroll down toward the bottom of the page until you see Security. You want to make sure to enable all three options in this section: block dangerous and deceptive content, block dangerous downloads, and warn you about unwanted and uncommon software. Under Security, you'll see the HTTPS only mode option. Click the radio button for Only Use HTTPS in all windows. Once you've followed these steps, both Chrome and Firefox will be better capable of protecting you from phishing attacks. Do remember, however, that nothing is 100% guaranteed. Even with the extra protection, you should always be aware of what's going on.